Eiffel Basic is a useful and effective solution for freestanding charging stations. It also allows for a convenient and flexible mounting solution for many different types of installations. My name's Emma from Wallbox Academy, and today we're going to take a look at our Eiffel Basic pedestal. A simple yet stylish design made from aluminum and stainless steel that allows for a single or dual installation of Pulsar Plus. It comes with pre-drilled holes on the front for a connector gun holster to help keep the installation looking neat and tidy. And the rain cover we see here is an optional extra to help shield Pulsar Plus from the elements. Let me show you the installation process. We've just seen an installation with an underground power cable. Let's take a look at what we do if our power supply is above ground. If you have any other questions, head over to these websites.